Good morning, students. Welcome back again to our online class of physical education. Okay, today is the second day. In the very first day, in our introduction class, we discuss about what is physical education and aims and objectives of physical education. Okay, today we will discuss about career options in physical education. Career options, earlier every people, the concept of every people is that sports, that is only for fun and enjoyment, but nowadays it is very much essential for our nation, for the development of every individual. Okay, so government of India and every state government has also given much priority to the physical education, and it is compulsory from class 1 onwards. Physical education is a subject in every class. Okay, so let us to discuss about career options. You see the career options, so many career options are there. There are two types of career options. Okay, the first one is teaching and coaching of physical education, and the second one is traditional career in physical education. Understand? So let us see the career options that is displayed on the screen. Teaching career in physical education. In teaching, so many schools are from primary to university, so many types of schools are there. First one is teaching in elementary school, teaching in middle school, teaching in high school, teaching in senior secondary school, and teaching at the university level also. Understand? So the careers, that are two types. First one is teaching and coaching of physical education. Coaching, the second point, coaching career in physical education. And the second types of career is traditional careers, that comes health related careers in physical education, administration related career in physical education. Understand? Performance related career in physical education, and media related career in physical education. Understand? So one by one we will discuss it. First, teaching career in physical education. Understand? Physical education, that is considered a professional field appropriate only for those interested in teaching career. Those who are interested in physical education, they can learn, they can go through that department and taking the trainings of that department. After that, they can observe in different schools. Understand? So those who have interest, they can teach it. The teaching career offers many rewards to the teachers, whereas they are engaged in elementary school, middle school, high school, senior secondary school, colleges and university levels also. This career is usually considered to have many benefits. Understand? The field of physical education commands deep respect among the students because it makes a good contribution to the society. The career provides internal satisfaction and better job security. So teaching opportunity in the field of physical education at different levels are just discussed one by one. in elementary schools. Okay, through physical education program or programs of physical education, children become creative, they become develop self images, grow in a holistic manner. Understand? That means the emphasis can be placed on the learning of various activities such as running, jumping, climbing, throwing, catching, kicking, striding. Like this, it will develop their physical fitness, and they can do anything. Their stress power will be decreases and their thinking power will be increases. So in that condition, every child can do anything whatever they are wanting through their physical work. Understand? Then middle school. Career opportunities in middle school. The career opportunities for physical education teacher in middle school are also important in the big cities, but in rural areas, maximum schools they have no physical education teacher, but in cities and big towns, in the middle schools, every school have physical education teacher. And nowadays the government has taken the initiative just to appoint at least one physical education teacher in every school. So this is the most important point or options for physical education students. They can observe in every middle school and every elementary or primary schools also. Understand? Then in high school means teaching at the high school level. Understand? There are a number of opportunities for job in the field of physical education in government and private schools and public schools also. Specialized teachers of physical education, they are appointed in such schools. They are required to teach theory as well as practical of physical education. Both the things are there. Theory part is there, practical things are there. So they teach to the students both theory and practical, and every high school there is the post of physical education teacher. Okay. And at the same time they are also prepare the various teams in that particular school for team events inside the school and outside the schools also. Then senior secondary level. In senior secondary level, it is a common practice throughout the country to engage special teachers of physical education in senior secondary school. Special teacher means what? The training must be there. Understand? The teachers who are appointed as a physical education teacher, they must have the training of that field, and they are engaged or appointed as a physical education teacher in senior secondary level. In some schools, lecturers in physical education are also appointed to teach theory of physical education and is an optional subject in government and senior secondary public schools. Okay. The teachers are also required to maintain discipline inside the school and give the ideas about the discipline among the students and how to create the good environment. That is the duties of the teacher, to just create the environment among the students, how to maintain discipline inside the school. And they are also prepare various teams and sports for inter-school tournaments and much opportunity of jobs in such schools. Understand? Then next one is teaching at university level. Okay, there are many job opportunities also in physical education in colleges and universities. Physical education is an optional subject in colleges. There are various professional courses like physical education in a number of colleges, such as certified course in physical education, that is called CPED, Bachelor of Physical Education, that is BPED, and Diploma in Physical Education, that is DPED. Understand? Certificate course in yoga and BSc in Physical Education, that is Sports, and Master Degree of Physical Education, MPED, and MA in Physical Education also. These are the degrees of physical education teachers. As per their requirement, they must have the degrees for appointment in different schools or different levels. Understand? So wherever they are wanting to work, they must have the degrees, they must have the educational qualifications in that line. Understand? Then these are the teaching career. Teaching career, I mean the person which interested in physical education, that means they have also opportunities, good opportunities in different schools. They are appointed as a physical education teacher in elementary schools, middle schools, in high schools, in colleges and universities also. Understand? So these are the opportunities, ample of opportunities, maximum opportunities are there. Okay, so come to the next point, that is coaching career in physical education. Okay, coaching means it offers a wide area of engagement to the experts in the field of physical education and in sports. Okay, so career as a coach, an individual has the responsibility to organize and plan and implement lessons and physical activities, fitness and exercises. They must teach students different games or instruct them in activities such as is needed for the improvement of their physique. Understand? An individual could also introduce them to different sports such as basketball, baseball, any other, so many games are there. So to become a teacher, at least a bachelor degree is required. For a coaching in different institutions, coaching as a career. Coaching means in India so many sports clubs are there. They are appointed as a coach. So many schools are there. They are directly appointed instructor. They are not involved in theory part. Directly they attached with the students to form the school teams and give them basic ideas how to improve their skills in that particular field. Understand? So many schools they are appointed the coaches, the sports clubs they are also appointed the coaches, and different departments also they are appointed the coaches to just make the teams of different games. Understand? Sports persons who are proficient in particular games or sports event, okay, are taking the training by National Institute of Sports, NIS, or SAI, that is Sports Authority of India. Person with a degree of master degree in physical education can consider to be more suitable for professional services. Professional services means different sports clubs that is run in India. Okay, just a coach appointed in that particular sports clubs, they needed the they needed the trainings of a particular game. Understand? Because they are appointed separate coaches in different teams. So for that particular games, They must have the training. That's why they are appointed as a coach in that sports club. Understand? Nowadays, most of the general academy school also employ coaches for training in specific games and events. Understand? Then health related career. Health related career means during the last 2 decades there has been a rapid increase in the awareness of health. People have become more health conscious. They want to be healthy and fit and fine. They want to keep away from the various diseases such as hypertension, heart disease, and so many types of disorders like obesity, diabetes, etc. Okay, they have realized the value of health. Everyone wants to lead a healthy lifestyle. Okay, so that is why health related career opportunity means in the field of physical education have expanded in recent years. So people have more conscious about that. That's why they are interested to keep them fit and fine. For keeping them fit and fine, physical education takes most and vital role because so many health related technicians are there. After taking the training or completing the course, they help the sports persons nicely. First of all, just one example, nutrition expert means a nutrition expert is also called a nutritionist or sports dietitian. The main task of nutrition expert is to educate the people and about nutrition and conjunction with activities and exercises. Then another one is sports psychologist. A sports psychologist focuses of helping athletes improve their mindset to enable them to improve their sports performance. Means psychologically they treat the sports persons how to improve, how to set their mind, okay, with others during the sports activities. These are the health related careers. Other health related careers also are there. Understand? Then next one is administration related career in physical education. What is administration related career? Okay. Sports administration, that means it is responsible at administration in other fields. Usually sports administrators have to be focused on organizing events and running sports facilities. Their other duties includes promotion of services of their clubs, responding to users of the facility they offer, occasionally working with the budgets and dealing with supply chain management, giving the growing demands in the field of sports administration. Opportunity in the field are increasing with time. Understand? So administration, that means in order to make a successful career of sports administration, an individual needs a bachelor degree in sports administration and physical education also. Okay. So after 10+2 pass out student with a good knowledge of sports is eligible to pursuing this course. They can doing this course, and after doing this course they are appointed as a administrator in different departments. Understand? Then department in physical education, that administration or administrator is appointed in different physical education departments. Understand? What are the physical education departments? A department of physical education is generally a part of almost all schools, colleges. Okay, so the entire setup and that each department involves in managed by the sports heads and sports manager. Other sports management departments are there. They are appointed in college sports department. They are appointed in professional sports team. They are appointed in amateur sports club. They are appointed in sports marketing and management firm. They are appointed in sports communication and news media firm. They are appointed in sporting goods companies, arena and stadium, sports federation, community recreation sports program. Okay, so many departments are there. They are appointed as a administrator in that particular department. Okay, but nowadays sports manager are usually offered post of AEO in sports. Understand? And it offers a career aspirant some other productive and suitable jobs to looks for that is that includes complaint director, sports information director, agent and sports marketer, organizations such as Board of Control for Cricketing in India, that is BCCI, and other departments. So many departments are there. Okay, and it always in demand of professionals with sportsmanship, evaluation, media planning, finance, corporate events, sportsmanship, management and infrastructure management. So many departments are there. They are appointed as an administrator in that particular area if they have good knowledge, if they have good background in physical education, and if they have degrees of physical education. All the three things are needed. If they have good knowledge, if they have physical education background, and if they have degrees, that means they are appointed as an administrator in different departments. Understand? Then next one is sports facility management. Sports facility management means several players or many players as well as teams themselves opted sports manager to help them handle the business sides of playing the games. Some career options in these segments also given below. As a general manager, as a athletic director, as a sports agent, as a event or facility manager. Okay, these are the posts of different autonomous sports clubs. Understand? They can appointed as a general manager, as an athletic director, as a sports agent, as a event or facility manager in that area. Understand? So performance related career in physical education. Okay, performance related career means sports as a career options lead to massive career opportunities. Some of things are described below. Okay, recreation worker. People spend much their time, leisure time, participating in wide variety of organized recreational activities. What are the recreational activities? Such as art and craft, performing arts, camping, sports, outdoor adventure activities. Recreational directors plan, organize and directing these activities in local playground or recreational areas, parks, community center, religious places. Okay, camps and various other tourist attractions. This type of recreation works are there. So recreation supervisor help directors in planning and organizing recreation programs. They guide the participants and keep record of the use of equipment. So performance related career means in physical education means during leisure time they can engage themselves in different types of recreational activities. Understand? Then athletic coach, a physical education professional can be a coach of any games and sports if they have the training of that particular games and considering them specialization of that particular area. Understand? They can, what are the works of athleticos? They can design the coaching program, run practice sessions, manage the teams during competitions and games, engage in various schools, colleges, university, clubs, etc. Understand? These are the opportunities of physical education. Then another one more opportunity is media related career in physical education. Media related career means while rapid growth of TV channels, newspapers, magazines, digital media outlets, sports journalism has surely reached new heights as a highly paid profession. Understand? Nowadays, in that area, the sports persons have more demand. Understand? Because it is rapidly growth in every channels, every medias, electronics medias. Nowadays, they spread the broadcasting of sports, and for that, a sports person must be or can be doing that job. Understand? So the media keeping people informed about the happening within their locality and far beyond. Okay. So nowadays the TV channels such as Star Sports, 10 Sports, ESPN, GTV, DD Sports provide coverage, live sporting events or highlights. Okay. So many TV channels specially they broadcast sports for some specific times. So for that the various career associated with sports communication medias also needed. Okay. So for that we must have the training or must have the degrees of that area. Then sports journalism. Sports journalism means the work of a person associated with the field depends on the types of media and they choose to work within that. Okay. It may be a newspaper, magazine, TV channel, radio stations and other areas or online medias. A journalist may work as a media coordinator, announcer or communication representative for an athletic association or sports team. For that area also it is demand of physical education. Understand? Then sports photography is that and sports industries also there. Okay. So these are the various opportunities of physical education. Understand? Nowadays it has more demands. Those who have training in physical education, those who are interested in physical education, okay, better to take the training and they may be appointed like in these departments. Understand? Okay. So next period we will discuss about competitions in various sports and national and international levels. Okay. Today we discuss about career options in physical education. So one more thing again I would like to tell you, in physical education there is a ample of opportunity of engagement or just both the types, professional and service. They are appointed as employees in different departments, in government departments, and as well as also private departments. And at the same time, as a professional, they can do as a professional work like coaching, like sports journalism, like sports photography, like book writing. Okay, so many careers are there. So sports industries is also there. The companies which make sporting goods and equipments are important role in the sporting world. Okay, innovation or innovative product of a manufacturer make players quicker, stronger, and more effective than ever and before. These equipments include manufacturing of sports kits, cricket bats like footwear, helmets, guards, t-shirts, tracksuits, shorts, etc. All these above importance, bright career and perspective after having the physical education qualification. That means these things that may be modernized, that may be updated through or by the help of sports persons. Understand? Those who have knowledge about sports, those who have training about sports, they have more knowledge about that, and the sports industries, they can develop their items day by day whenever they are appointed. The persons, those who are engaged in sports or those who have background in physical education, because they have more knowledge, so they can do that things. Okay, these are the career options of physical education, and next period we will learn about competitions of various sports and national and international level. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.